What's up, everyone? Loco here today, here with my boy, Wolfie. What you gotta say, Wolfie?
What's up, man? What's happening?
Not much. We about to play some TitianFall 2. That's what happened. You ready to get zoned?
Hey, what we playing? Mixtape or what?
What you wanna play?
We'll play mixtape. Just throw a bunch of shit out there.
Alright, sounds great. Yo, come here, buddy. Let's go.
Hey, mother.
Alright, let's do this.
Hey, watch out, watch out.
Okay, yes, this gun is.
Head got in the way, bro.
This gun is amazing.
I'm trying to shoot that motherfucker.
This gun is amazing. You were right. Hemlock, best weapon in the game, and I died. You're dead too, ain't you?
I told you, yeah.
I can't grapple to anything on this game. Where these boys at?
It's gonna take me a second. I haven't played this motherfucker in like a couple days.
Oh, dude, I haven't played this. I haven't played TitianFall in a good week. No! No! Hit him! Hit him! Oh, that was in a real player, dang it. You got your Titan yet?
Goddamn, hell no.
Dude, there's Titans everywhere!
Bro.
I'm about to jump on a Titan back.
I get shot.
I'm about to jump on a Titan's back. I just got freaking auto-zoned.
I hate bounty hunt, honestly.
Man, you made it sound like you like this, like you played it a lot.
No, I played it once. I just understand the concept.
I'm gonna upload $11. You ready for this? We're gonna win because of me. We're winning because of this $11. Boom! Bank account 56, $11, winning the game. Get out of here! Stumble.
There we go, guys. Bless them.
I'm having the fight of my life right now with this little dude. How's he?
Just keep shooting. Just keep shooting.
Screw it! I'm injecting.
Oh my god.
Die. Booyah! I'm coming to you, Wolfie. Okay, what do I got? What do I got? What do I got?
Fucking wait.
I got this thing. Upload. Open. Upload. Where's the bank thing at? I just got stepped on. He didn't even shoot me. He stepped on me. Let's do this! Oh yeah! Where you at?
I'm on top of a building. I'm dead.
Oh!
Okay, okay. I'm gonna stop bullshit because I was just bullshitting, you know.
If you say so. I am terrible. Oh, I see you. Let me ride on you. I know that sounded so gay. Let me get. Hold up, I'm coming.
God. Don't
Let's
ever say that.
Let's do this.
Don't
Wolf and Loco addicts. I'm gonna blast you. I got you. Oh, he shot me off your back.
Oh shit, my bitch.
Get in the hole.
Like a bullet Titan too, like a fucking OG badass.
Dang it! I had $43 right now. This is amazing.
$43. Huh?
Yes.
You know what? I haven't uploaded not one fucking piece of money.
I couldn't aim for some reason. There goes one of our guys. No!
Come on, come on.
Dude, I'm trying to do that thing when my Titan falls on him.
Yeah, dude.
Oh, dude, it took like half his health.
Did it fall directly on it?
No, it didn't fall directly on him. I just took out the Titan though. Well, it don't matter because I'm dead. Take that.
Bring it down.
Alright, there we go.
I was trying to get this motherfucker to slip.
Okay, come on. Come on, take him out. Take him out. Come on, you can do it.
Now finish the job, eh?
coming over there.
Dude, he's almost dead. I'm going to take this Titan.
Take it down.
Booyah!
Take the bounty.
I took out Titan. Woo! Woo! I just tried to kick a Titan there. Jeez.
What did I do? Holy fucking Santa
Right,
Claus
just
shit.
making this damn by
Okay.
for Titan.
Come on, baby. Oh, that's pure epicness.
This shit is fucking getting down.
I swear it does. I'm just gonna put this out there. Probably the best first-person shooter of this year, even though it came out last year. But you know what I mean. Best one I played in a while, cause Call of Duty Infinite.
Played it this year, god.
I swear.
Remnant fleet reinforcements inbound.
Oh my god, Loco, you've only had 3 kills, bro.
Shut up.
What's your #1 on the team?
Cause I am amazing.
So, that
Cause
is,
I've been taking out Titans.
that might say so.
And I'm taking out this boy right here. Oh! Get on his back! Come on! Have skill! Get on that back! Come on! Oh, that's why I just... Yep, I just got completely destroyed.
Take with Titan.
That's all I got.
Here goes my Titan. It's gonna land on him, Phil. It's gonna land on him! Yes! It did it! It did it!
Good job. I'm so proud of
Best...
you. Look, I said it.
I'm gonna die. I don't even know where the dude's at in here. I'm gonna kill him.
Motherfucker, you gonna run now, ain't you?
Dude, I gotta get to the bank. I gotta bank all this cash I've been working on. Come on. Come on, baby. No! Dude, I can't ever get through the windows. I legit can't ever get through these windows. Window probs 101.
Did you say window probs 101?
Yes, I did. No! The bank closed.
Window probs.
Window props. New battle. Come here, buddy. Hey, buddy. Let's do this. Dude, it's so epic when the Titan comes down.
He's a dead motherfucker.
I'm taking him out. He's mine.
Ah, bitch.
Enemy is slaying the bounty.
Behind you. Behind you. Behind you. Holy fuck.
Booyah! I'm gone.
I just seen your ass jet boost out that bitch.
Don't shoot! He shot me in the air.
He said, I'm gone.
He shot me when I was in the air. Dude, I don't even know why we have to try to escape. All their Titans are gonna be sitting right there.
I just got shot, so.
Okay, spectate me. I'm about to be a little punk and wait. Like, what am I supposed to do with that? Time to be a hero.
Spider-Man. Spider-Man. Does whatever a spider can. Motherfucker.
I know. Come on. Come on. Come on. No, I don't want to die. We're about to. Yes. Yes, we made it. We made it. Oh my god.
You did such a good job. I'm so proud of you.
Thank you. Where'd it come in? I had 7 kills. I just not real good ones. Alright, so what you think about Titanfall 2? Like,
I like Titanfall 2. It is an amazing first-person shooter game. I like it a lot, and you get cool robots and stuff.
you sound like that. You sound like a 5th grader having to do his first presentation in class.
And what do you want from me, Will? What do you want from me? That's what I sound like when you ask me a question. And you get cool colors and stuff on your guy, and cool guns.
Is that all?
And it's badass.
Yes. Yes, it is. Well, there's your Titanfall 2.
My wife just told me I sound like a fag.
Well, there's your Titanfall 2 info right there. Everything you need to know. Everything.
But it's pretty good for real. I like it.
I will give this game definitely, out of 10, I will give it a 9.5 out of 10.
I'll agree with that. I
Like,
would too.
really good game.